How to change background in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this live stream button. Simply tap on this live stream button. So basically this is the place where we go live stream. So here you can easily go on live by tapping on go live. Now in order to change the background or atmosphere, here there's a button called atmosphere. Simply tap on it. And here there are some selected background that you can change into. So simply select the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one, and as you can see the whole background has been changed. So if you want to go live without having any of your videos or seeing your face, you can directly use this background and tap on go live and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.